Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a flip through of Creative Haven's Gorgeous Gardens coloring book. I bought this at the same time that I bought this one, the Songbirds. And even though this one said 31 pictures, there were actually more pictures in here, or pages I should say. This one too says 31 beautiful garden scenes, and I actually did count these before the video, and there are just 31 pages. So I think the Songbirds one was probably just an oddity, a fluke. And this I purchased for $6.99 at Hobby Lobby. You can probably find it for less, maybe online. And so opening it up here, it's by Jessica Mazurkiewicz. And the inside cover gives an example of how that was colored. So it's copyright 2023, so it is this year. So here's the first page. It is perforated. They are perforated. So here's a pathway or stairway with a couple of little squirrels, chipmunks. It's single-sided. The paper is kind of thin, so I wouldn't use watercolor on it, but pencils, markers, especially if you put something in between, definitely you can use alcohol markers. So here's a pretty scene with some birdhouses, butterfly, cozy little cat taking a little cat nap there. Here's one I am all too familiar with, the Arizona Sonoran Desert, and I would probably use my Tritone pencils on this. I like the way they turned out in another coloring page that I did in another book. So this is probably Amsterdam, Holland with the tulips, the windmills, and many years ago I actually visited Holland twice, Amsterdam twice, and we did see the tulips, we did see the windmills. I brought a little pair of the wooden shoes home back as a souvenir. Fun place. Here's probably like a beach scene with the lighthouse there, some sand here probably. A greenhouse. It says basil, got some carrots and tomatoes. Other little signs there, some tomatoes on a vine, and sunflowers. I actually have 4 basil plants growing in my my raised garden bed. Probably some maybe peonies. It's a pretty little gazebo. This looks like a fairy garden with some pansies. That'll be pretty to color in. Maybe some pansies and morning glories. Little fountain here. We have our fountain here in our backyard. Daffodils. This might be hyacinth. Some purple and yellow. That'll actually be pretty together. Little cat. Hello autumn. I can't wait for autumn, fall to get here. It's very warm. It's going to be over 100 degrees this weekend here. Some apples and corn. So this is the page that's here on the inside front cover. So that's that Japanese maple probably. So I might try doing that, following that idea on the front cover and see what I come up with. That's Curious Tale if she came in the video. Probably from the potting shed. Tomatoes and that. Oh, I guess this is a kitchen area. Some garlic cloves. Outside, roses and irises. Some lemonade. Our local Iris Society is going to be at our community center at the end of the month. I bought a couple of bulbs, a couple of plants. I think it was last month they were here, and I think they're going to be doing another sale at the end of this month of July. Cat, little dog, and inside garden. This looks like the inside of a solarium or greenhouse. These look like hibiscus. A little parrot hanging around there. Butterfly garden, so this would be monarchs. Crafty Sue, if you're watching, I'm sure you would love this page. And I think that's probably part of this back page here with the butterflies. So this looks like it might be in the city with some terrace lights. I have to figure out what these flowers are. So these are Monstera. Looks like these are on a wall. Little potting shed. Oh, there's a little gnome there. Another gnome with the wheelbarrow with the flowers. That's pretty. That's pretty too. Cat with the wishing well. Some more butterflies. Probably cosmos or echinacea. Probably some daisies. That's cute. There's a dog laying down, guitar. A lemon tree. Used to have a lemon tree in Phoenix. It doesn't grow up here. It's too cold. Strawberries. Some candles here. Picnic basket. Terrariums. Little fire pit outside. This is an antique type bathtub, so that'll be fun. With maybe, I don't know if this is bamboo. Oh, here's that one with the fire pit. All right, so that's my flip through of this, and I may start one of the pages maybe today. So if you have this, let me know. I would love to know if you have a video on that and how you've colored in your pages. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.